Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. So today, I just want to give you guys a quick reminder, April 28th, both the BMW and the Accord are going to be showcased at Hot Imports Night. It's at the Dallas Market Hall from 5 to 11. You can buy the tickets online, and we'll put in the description of where it is, all the information you need. Come out, show your boys some love, let's have fun, let's have a good time and everything like that. But today, I'm just trying to get every little thing on the BMW taken care of. I got one thing I want to start off today is by replacing the taillights. So let me give you guys a quick backstory. So the taillights I have on the car, yes, I've already replaced it. The reason why, I put some cheap ones on at the moment. The reason is my dad backed into the BMW with the truck and the taillights broke. So I have some cheap replacements on right now with no bulbs, no nothing like that, just so it looks good in the meantime. So I got some new ones from Spyder. Let's check them out. So these are the current stock ones that I have at the moment. These look like, they look trash. These are just the stock OEM ones that BMW has. They're cheap, and again, I've already cracked it again right over here. Just something that I have in the meantime, because whenever my dad backed into it, both these two bulbs like just cracked, and there's glass everywhere, or plastic everywhere. So I got some new ones, some badass ones. Let's get those on. So let's take a look at it. As you guys already saw from the stock ones, they were pretty trash. So these are the new aftermarket ones. So that one goes for the trunk, but this is the actual taillight that I'm actually very excited for. So let's take a look. Man, the packaging on this is really well. It's hard to do this with one hand on the camera. Ooh, look at it. It's gonna go like this. Look at it. That's so sexy. The build of this is actually really nice. It's just a plug and play, which is what I've originally wanted. Just plug it in right over here. I'm gonna show you guys really quick. Let's take a look at this one. Make sure that this is not cracked either. So this is good. Cool part is they already come with the bolts inside of it. That's perfect. That's everything that I want, everything that I need. Let's see. Alright, so both these taillights are in perfect condition. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and pop these in. So for the taillights, they're pretty self-explanatory. So right here is the one bulb. It's going to be held in with 3 screws. Just so you can see the difference of the taillight. That's the before. This is the new after my left hand. They're going to look so clean, so sexy. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and put this on. So after you remove those 3 nuts, you're just going to slide right out. Just like that. Perfect. So this is the old ghetto looking one. If you guys want these, you're more than welcome to hit me up. And now we're just gonna go swap it out with the new and gorgeous one. So that's the right side. So let's make sure we get the right side. They're labeled which one's right and left, I think. Maybe. Oh, right here. It says R8, right side. And this one should say, yep, left side. So I need that one. Man, just a big difference. So here's the before, here's the after. Just a big difference of how that looks. Man. So the cool part is, this is the same kind of brand that I got for the front headlights. So these are the Spyder taillights. And let me show you really quick. These are the Spyder headlights. So my original headlights were busted. So I got these. These are awesome, super easy plug and play. But I am liking this. Let's go ahead and get the left side and then the ones on the top, and we should be good. And let's see how it looks. So we got the right and the left side in, and now we're going to go ahead and do the top. So after you remove the trunk liner, you're going to remove that little bulb housing, unplug it, you just press it in and then pull. And then from here, you're going to be removing this 10mm bolt. And then you're gonna get this little plastic, so be careful. Make sure you don't break it or lose it. And then from here, there's an old drill bit. And then I'm just gonna pop this out. Just be careful, because a lot of times you could cut yourself, because metal is the trunk. It is kind of sharp. Just like that. So popped it out, got it. Now we're gonna put the new ones on. As you can see, it already has a big difference. So you got the new ones, and we're gonna pop those on. One thing I really love about the Spyder taillights is and Spyder headlights is everything's all plug and play. Simply as unplug, unscrew, unplug it, and you're good to go. You got both these taillights in, they work. It looks so clean. It ties everything together with the car. I'm loving it, I'm liking it. But that's basically it. So that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, please come out to Hot Imports Night, show some love. If you like what you see, throw a thumbs up, comment below, share the video. Please share, subscribe, and like. We'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya, guys.